and welcome back everybody. In today's video, we are going to turn on the auto scroll on TikTok. So if you're wondering how to do so, you may follow up these methods for that and you should be able to access it easily. Open up TikTok for that. And once you open up TikTok, you can go to your FYP feed. You can navigate to your For You page on your TikTok like this right here. Now, all you gotta do is basically go ahead and once you're in your FYP, press and hold your finger for on any of the video for a couple of seconds, and the menu should appear on your screen. Within the menu, you just need to look out for the option called Auto Scroll. So once you find Auto Scroll option right below the clear mode, you just need to turn on that option. So look out for the option of toggle option right beside it and turn it on. And once you turn it on, the arrow will be appearing at the top right corner, which means once the video will finish, it will automatically load the next one and play. So you can just go over and wait for this video to be finished, and there we go. You can see the video just got to the next one automatically and started playing automatically itself. So that is it everybody. You can follow up the same process. If you want to turn it off, you just need to hold it up once again, and once the menu opens up, you can just go over and turn it off by tapping on this toggle option. After that, you will be finding the section and it will say scroll to your next video. So that is it everybody. This is the method you can follow up to turn on the auto scroll on TikTok. Pretty easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.